वो कहते हैं ना, लाइफ बिगिंस एंड एंड्स विद केओस। केओस लाइफ में कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता।
We didn't realize when it started and when it ended. Most of the things we didn't know what to do.
Eventually, I figured out that it will take more efforts from my side. At the same time, even more support from my family.
I have had a ransomware attack. I can't access anything.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं उनको क्या समझाऊं. I want to just quit.
बहुत challenges आए थे because I was new to the place. I never knew कि यहाँ कैसे क्या होता है तो.
And so I made a lot of mistakes in the process, and I had to figure out how to fix those mistakes on the fly really quickly to be able to do the things I do.
आप मानेंगे नहीं बट 80% एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं वो भाग जाते हैं. वो फेज में आपको कोई वैलिडेशन नहीं दे रहा है, आप अकेले हो.
मतलब जब मैंने पहला ऑर्डर दिया था तो मेरे टू बी ऑनेस्ट बहुत पटी थी यार. 1000 रुपए बेचूं कैसे.
COVID happened. That thing changed completely. Law career is definitely not easy.
इस एज में मैं अगर कुछ स्टार्ट करती हूँ तो मुझे पता नहीं मुझे कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा.
Every single day I would feel that I'm not made to do this.
मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी यार, अभी तो क्या चल रहा है ट्रेंड, पता नहीं मैं डिजाइन कर पाऊंगी वापस.
The seminar that I told you about failed drastically. I had to give money back to people.
I want to better myself, or I want to check my abilities.
So some mistake must have happened from our side, and the customer gave a really negative feedback. And I was telling my father, there is a negative feedback for us, and I actually started crying.
So we give up, right? Because anyhow we are being told of so many stories that have been unsuccessful.
इतने सारे compliances करना with running a business, it's a very difficult aspect.
But the only thing that keeps us going is clarity.
Clarity today means that I'm happy where I am, what I am doing.
As an entrepreneur, there is never a clarity. There is a clarity of the vision, but to reach the vision, there is always the chaos.
Clarity is knowing where you're going, where you're heading, and enjoying the journey.
You need to know that what you are looking forward to. If you know what you are looking forward to, then how to reach there is the question. And finding the right person to tell you that has become a challenging in itself.
Handling multiple business was never my thought, but this is just out of my curiosity or interest. I would say that I'm doing this, or else practically it is impossible for me to travel twice a month, 1200 kilometer आना जाना. It is not possible, but I'm doing it because I'm interested in it.
For me, clarity is knowing that I am a trader and I trade in ready-made clothes. ये मेरी clarity है. बाकी every other opportunity of investment of growth is great. This is my strength. So if I know my strength and I'm playing by my strength, I can grow as an investor in other places.
See, don't never forget कि आप ये शुरू क्यों कर रहे हैं. I mean, मैंने जब ये शुरू किया था, that was because of my love for jungle. I wanted to be here more and more, as much as possible. और that is being served, right? So never forget that why you have started this.
Being punctual, doing things on time, and having a roadmap or a plan.
You should be focused to your goal. आपका एक गोल है, आप उस पर फोकस हो जाइए, उसके आप में आप क्लैरिटी आती जाए. Then you don't see here and there. Just concentrate on your goal.
Peace of mind and being able to sleep and being able to know that every day is a present, and I can work with my tools and my skill sets and my God, and even when it's a bad day, it's a good day. So it's the positive mindset that comes from living a good life and understanding that every day is a good challenge and not a bad challenge.
Clarity is you need to know where you are, you need to know where you are going, and you need to know from A to B what are the steps. Not every time those steps will happen, but at least you should have a rough idea. That is clarity.
मेरा वो सिंपल फंडा है. जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया था उस समय everybody was my customer. But right now, as after 10 years, I realized कि everybody is not my customer. Okay. So I have very thin slice कि कौन मेरा कस्टमर है. तो मैं आज की अगर बात करूँ तो आज मैं केवल उस आदमी के साथ मिलना पसंद करता हूँ जो कि एक बिजनेस ओनर है.
Don't carry its aura to your work. Don't carry that ego of being a big institute pass out and highly qualified, certified to your workplace. It will kill every technical ability that you have.
Clarity means to me it's take sharing, take help from others. Don't be an egoistic person and think I'm the best.
Behind the words, I want this feeling also to be conveyed that you matter, your ideas matter, and we want to work it out as a team. It is not that I am telling and everybody is following. We are working together.
I think clarity in life is clarity in your thought process, clarity in the work you are doing. So you have to be very clear in your mind what you want to be.
I would say that clarity to me in
two simple words is taking action. Because I've always got clarity by taking action.
Honestly, that is something which I've learned, how to manage your finances properly. After starting my own company, I've realized how important it's to manage your finances. So that is something which I've got a really good clarity is about managing my finance.
Welcome to Chaos to Clarity podcast. I am Piyush Thakkar. I am co-founder and CEO of Thinkonic Software Private Limited. और इस podcast के जरिए मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ entrepreneurs की real raw stories and their journey from chaos to clarity.